Hey, if you've been following this channel, you probably know that majority of my reviews are accessories, mainly for MacBooks and iPads. Around 3 weeks ago, good folks from Moft have sent me one more thing, something new and exciting, their new MacBook stand, which appears to be quite unique. You see, it was the first time that I hear about this so-called world's first invisible graphene cooling stand. So let me share with you how this product feels like. Hi friends and welcome to Digitalna channel. My name is Marko, this is your dose of Apple news, leaked information, tech rumors and reviews. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment below, hit the like button and don't forget to enable all notifications so you don't miss the next video. This one, as expected, is powered by Moft. Check out the websites and some of their awesome origami-inspired iPad, iPhone and MacBook accessories by following the links in the description and a pinned comment. Get a discount with Digitalna channel. Now let's go! The package was nothing new for me, considering my previous experiences with Moft. Made of thin cardboard, slim as it can possibly be. In front, what to expect inside. At the back, quick info how to use it. Opening was a piece of cake. After a bit of resistance, in the piece of paper there was a card with a note by Moft's founder, and a single sheet of manual. If you haven't seen the previous iteration of their invisible stand, you may be surprised how lightweight and thin it is. 0.1 inches to be precise. Don't let this fool you, since it can easily hold up to 11 pounds of weight. Yet comparable to its predecessor, this model features unique graphene-based active and silent cooling technology. For those who are not familiar, graphene material possesses strong and thinnest thermal conductivity that quickly dissipates heat. Surprisingly, setting it up wasn't a big deal. Just remove protective sticker, position the stand as close to the edge and snap adhesive surface to the bottom of your MacBook. Now it's all ready. First, you will see that this thing is almost unnoticeable, which is a plus if you want to carry it around or leave it in the bag. No wonder why the original invisible stand has been chosen by more than 1 million people around the globe. As with its previous model, Moft is still taking care of your posture and ergonomics with dual angle adjustments. The first one is 15-degree angle, which is my personal favorite due to its increased stability, while the second one, slightly taller, 25-degree option is available if that is what you prefer. Both angles give the impression of sturdiness and guarantee you great typing experience. But the true special of this release is its effective cooling technology in thin space. In order to make heat dissipation more effective, engineers from Moft made sure that graphene surface covers as much area of the stand as possible. And does it work? I've tested on my two Macs. My 2020 MacBook Air at first glance didn't seem like the right choice for the test, since it's powered by already cold and silent M1 silicon. For the purpose of this trial, my choice was a totally basic app, Endurance CPU Stress Test, which is available for free on App Store. For tracking and behavior of my internals, I've opted for iStatistica. Initially, it was tricky to spot some big variations between the MacBook Air with the stand and without. 1 to 2 degrees of CPU temperature difference was visible, but nothing mind-blowing, especially since Moft lab results, allegedly performed on 4 different laptops, showcase temperature drop down between 5 and 8 degrees Celsius and up to 10 degrees in lab conditions. But then, I've looked at other parameters which indeed unveil some lower numbers, which makes me believe that the stand indeed appears to be doing what is expected. My other MacBook 2019 Pro with Intel chip proven to be even better suited for this accessory, since the temperature difference was around 3 degrees with the MacBook on the stand winning. So there you go. As always, it's not perfect, and there's always space for improvements. Removing the stand can be messy, although I was surprised to see that this was much easier job with my MacBook Pro, which had a skin on it. The stand is well designed, but I believe it suits more to Pro models than MacBook Air due to its form factor, which could complicate single-handedly lifting the lid, although this is nothing huge. Moft Invisible Graphene Stand is an intelligently crafted product. It's made of tech vegan leather and it's water and grade 5 scratch resistant, which is top. While you can use dual-angle features with other non-Apple laptops, folks from Moft recommend that graphene cooling features should be considered as MacBook exclusive. If you want to know more about it, make sure you check the links in the description and in the pinned comment. But then the question, should you go for it? I think that anyone who doesn't own similar product can easily go for it, especially if you need a great quality accessory that will help you improve your productivity and mobility. For the majority of MacBook users, advantages of graphene implementation should be considered as a cherry on the cake. By the way, they are launched on Kickstarter, offering early bird look at cool price. Check it out. Have you ever tried before Moft's invisible laptop stand? Please answer in the comment section below. That's all, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up and turn on notification. Let me just send thanks to Moft for sending me this accessory. As always, you guys rock. Dear viewers, thank you so much for watching Digitalna channel. My name is Marko, talk to you soon, have an excellent day, bye.